Morning, my topic for my project is related rates. A hot air balloon rising straight up from a level field is struck by a rangefinder 500 feet from the lift-off point. At the moment, the rangefinder's elevation angle is pi over 4. The angle is increasing at the rate of 0.14 rads per minute. How fast is the balloon rising at the moment? So we have here y over 500 equals tan theta. What we have to do is cross multiply it. So we have imaginary over 1. So it becomes 500 tan theta. You can see here we have 500. Y over 500 equals tangent theta. So we have the imaginary. You cross multiply it, the imaginary 1. Becomes y equals 500 tan theta, 500 feet. So we derive to 500 tan theta becomes 500 second squared theta. As stated in the question, how fast is the balloon rising at the moment? So here's the formula for finding the speed of its rise. Here is the formula for finding how fast the speed of the balloon rising. This was the formula for finding the speed of how fast the balloon can go. dy over dt, 500 seconds squared theta multiplied to pi over 4 multiplied to 0.14, which is the theta over dt. As we multiply them, we got 500 times 2 times 0.14. So the answer was 140 feet per second. That's all. Thank you.
A tank filled with water is in the shape of an inverted cone. "20 feet high, with a circular base on top, whose radius is 5 feet. Radius, center. Water is running out of bottom of the tank at the constant rate of 20 feet cubed per minute. How fast is the water level when the water is falling 8 feet deep? And the formula to find the volume is V equals 1/3 times pi r squared times height. We know that dV over dt is equal to the given 2 feet, negative 2 feet cubed per minute. And the height equals to 8 feet. We must find the dt over dh. We must use first the height over r is equals to 20 feet given, and the R, the radius is 5 feet, or simply height over 4. By the given formula, V equals to 1/3 pi R squared H. Using this formula, you must insert the given values. V is equals to 1/3 pi, and the radius is height over 4. Height over 4 squared times height. And the answer of this is V equals 148 pi H cubed. 48. 1/48 pi H cubed. We must find the dH over dt. By the given dV over dt is equals to 148 pi, and the derivative of h cubed, which is 3h squared. Find the find the dH over dt. And the answer is dV over dt is equals to 116 pi h squared. Find dH and dt. And the next is we must find the negative 2. Next, we must find the dH and dt. We represent by time. Negative 2 by the given equal to pi over 16 times the height squared. dH dt. And the answer is dH over dt is equal to negative 1 over 2 pi. By calculating this formula, feet per minute. This is the final answer of how fast is the water level falling when the water is 8 feet deep. Thank you.